up, guys? So I hit my first block solo mining Avian coin. Okay, what I did was first I decided to go and switch all my rigs to solo mine Avian coin. I did it for a couple of hours. I didn't see any progress or anything like that. I mean, a couple of hours is nothing, so I just gave up right away. So, but one thing I noticed that I do hit blocks, but when I'm doing pool mining, so I've hit them, but late nights or early in the mornings, I hit the block. But you know that with pool mining, but I have to share it with everyone else. So I kept thinking, you know, I'm gonna try doing solo again. I'm gonna try doing it again. So I decided to say, you know what? I'm just gonna do 2 of the rigs, my fastest rising rigs that I have. I'm gonna set 2 of them to solo mine, and I did that. And within an hour, boom, one of them hit the block. And when I hit the block, I saw that I had 2,500, around that much coins of Avian coins. So I finally hit my first block. So I don't know how long I'm gonna run those 2 rigs, but I'm gonna try to do it overnight to see how many blocks I will hit, you know, and just leave the rest mining, pull mining Avian coin. And I did set some of them to continue to get some Raptorium, just a couple of rigs, but the rest of them are doing Avian coin, and with the GPUs I had changed those over to get some more Dogecoin. I was playing around and switching things over and testing things, but I hit my first block. So solo mine Avian coin. So what I'm gonna do is, like I said, I'm gonna let those 2 run overnight, see what happens if I hit another block or whatever, but that would be great. And that's pretty much it with that. But I am getting another motherboard, another Asus motherboard. I'm gonna be setting up another one of these rigs here. I'm gonna get another one of these Asus A520MK, one of these guys here. I did get the bracket, like I was saying before, that this one needed a bracket. I got this for about 20 bucks, maybe like $21, $22. This motherboard, pretty good price, and it actually worked. But I didn't have the bracket that holds the heatsink. Okay, so I was able to find one on eBay, brand new, $5. Paid like $5 for it, and I got it. I just put it in today. But I'm looking for some CPUs, but a good price on eBay. If I can get them for a decent price, you know, at least $100 or more off of new, then I would get it. But if it's close to new, I'm not gonna do that. I might just get a new. You know, that doesn't gonna pay. It's not gonna pay for me to get it at those prices. But you know, so what I want to set another one up. You know, hopefully by, I don't know, by next week possibly. I have to get the parts, you know, for it. You know, I still have to get a memory card, and I mean a memory stick, and the power supply for it. You know, when those come in, then I'm good to go. You know, and I'm good to set it up. So, but these eventually I'm gonna take these down, because I'm gonna just go with these type of boards. You know, with AMD boards, and you know, I'm just gonna hook that up. I'm just trying to scale up. I'm trying to scale up as much as I can, and that's pretty much it. You know, so I'm happy that I hit my first block, but I don't know how long I'm gonna be doing that for, because if you solo mine and you don't get nothing, you just wasted a bunch of electricity and time. So I don't really like to do that, but we'll see what happens. So I'm happy about that, and I guess I'll talk to you guys later, and peace out.